Man, what's popping with you guys on the YouTube? Mr. Buck, back at it again. How everybody doing? Everybody good? Everybody straight? In this video, I'm going to talk about a trade that I got in on EU, how I stacked my position, kind of show you that even if the move has already happened, there's still more ways to get involved. So you don't have any FOMO. You know, you never have FOMO in this market. You know what I'm saying? But let's get right into the video. All right, you guys, so here goes EU. I trade at the New York session. So this is how I saw the market. I had this zone marked up right here, 5-minute supply zone, looking for price to basically do something like this, right? So let's see what happens. I think some type of news came out. Okay, so let's jump down. I think I jumped down all the way to the 5-second, right, to get involved on this. As you guys know, I trade the second time frame. So this trade was kind of risky, okay? I ain't gonna lie. This, I don't know if this touched. I think it's down to the freaking pipette, right? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I would like to see, you know, this get mitigated more, but because I seen it start breaking down, I wanted to get into, you know, some short-term sales. You feel me? So how I kind of see this right here on this 5-second is I see this last up move right here. Now these up moves are subjective. Like I say, you can go from here if you want to, even here. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to use this one, right? So you see this up move. When does it get validated? At this point, right? So I want to see another pullback, which has already happened, and a break of this zone, right? So let me move this. So since we have that one, this one came in and tested some of this up move, right? So you have this, now this up move. So basically, I got in once the markets broke this low, right, with my stops above here, and take profit to this liquidity, these recent lows, you know, quick scalp, right? So that it's really simple, you know what I mean? Market breaks it and it just goes lower, right? Kind of plays around a little, boom, right? So now I want to show you guys why I got in this move, right? So if you feel like you missed out on this one, there's always opportunities to get in for it to go maybe a little lower. You never know. All this is risk, you know what I'm saying? Risk averse. You feel me? So let's see what I did. So I jumped up on the minute, right? So I closed this first position, right? And basically what I seen was, let me go back. Alright, do that like that. So what do you guys see here? A supply zone, right? A minute supply zone right here. So this was a risk entry as well, right? So basically I just wanted to see the market come and tap this last up move again and continue lower, and my next profit was this liquidity right here, and I was done for the day, you know. Now if it went up and got me out, then it is what it is, right? So that was my second move, right? So for this one, you guys know, if you watch some of my videos, that I like to confirm my zones, right? This zone, I didn't confirm. I just simply waited for it to tap, like so. I got in right at this moment, right? This price, I should say. And hoped, right, that it didn't come up and liquidate this, that it would just continue lower and liquidate this first, right? Because this is going to get liquidated at some point, you know, if it's a month from now, a couple seconds from now, but I wanted to see this get liquidated first. So that was the basic move right there. Oh, and it went lower, and as you can see, right here is when I got out. You see the market came, liquidated it, and it continued up, right? So this was a good profit take for me, you know, but not all moves work like this. This could have easily went like this, boom, and then went lower, then did that, you know. We're just, you know, trying to increase our probability of certain moves based on your practice, your, you know, back testing, all that, you know, seeing the patterns every day. And, you know, this market, nothing's guaranteed, right? So that is basically how I kind of stacked my positions. In a sense, I could have held this one all the way down here, right, for a better trade, but I got out because I was happy with the profit that I had. Then I just seen this move. I'm like, well, let's see if this works, right? So, let's see if I could have come. So I got in at a pretty good price. I just kind of want to see how I could have confirmed this, right? I don't need to go back. Let's just go down on like a 5-second. So this is my entry, you know, getting in blindly. But so say we wanted to confirm this, right? Can't really confirm it because the move happens so fast, you know. You got this up move into it, doesn't get confirmed to here, so nothing comes and validates this up move right here, or not validate, mitigates it. It gets validated, it never came back to test it. So you have to wait for the next pullback, which will be this move, little move right here, right? So you got one up move, two up moves. That's your confirmation to get in at the break of this last up move before the down move. Stops right here. Take profit here. That's really a small move, so there was no confirming this zone based on it not running that low, but that is kind of how you can get into multiple positions. FOMO really shouldn't be in your vocabulary. You know, there is no FOMO because moves are happening every day at all times. There's a lot of ways to get involved. With that being said, I appreciate you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Mr. Buck, go.